Problem, Private Cornstalk? Is there not one in your side?
I was told I don't have to carry a weapon.
Come again. Step forward, Private. I can't be hearing this right.
Well, I'm sorry, Sergeant. I can't touch a gun.
Private Doss does not believe in violence. Do not look to him to save you on the battlefield. Private Doss, can you identify the men that beat you?
No, Sarge.
Are you saying that you don't know who attacked you?
I never said I was attacked, Sarge. I got the energy and the passion to serve as a medic. While everybody else is taking life, I'm gonna be saving it. With the world so set on tearing itself apart, it doesn't seem like such a bad thing to me to want to put a little bit of it back together.
Son of a gun, this is gonna work.
Hold on, one of ours!
Jump on it.
You're kidding.
I'm gonna drag you.
You gotta be kidding me,
You're
Cornstalk.
tying a bowline, boy, not building a bra. Get up!
Are you wounded?
No.
Let's get this soldier to a hospital then, right now.
Please, Lord. Let me get one more.